This small light might replace your bulky studio lights, and it fits in your bag. Today, we're checking out the Godox ML150Bi, a compact bicolor LED that's getting a lot of attention. Is this the perfect light for creators in 2026? Let's find out. First, let's see what's inside the box. The ML150Bi unit, power adapter cable, standard reflector, and manual. Right away, you can see that this is very compact but premium looking light. Classic Godox build quality. For the design and build, the ML150Bi has a very unique design, almost like a mini projector. It's lightweight, compact, and perfect for small setup or travel. This is clearly designed for creators who want power without carrying heavy gear. For the design and build, the ML150Bi has a very unique design, almost like a mini projector. It's lightweight, compact, and perfect for small setup or travel. This is clearly designed for creators who want power without carrying heavy gear.
And I'm still driving too fast. You've been begging me to slow it down.
One big feature here is the bicolor from 2800 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. Warm light and cinematic look, cool daylight for clean YouTube look. This means you may match any environment without gels, super useful for run and gun shooting.
We're too
Now, let's talk about the output. For such a small light, this is surprisingly powerful. At 100%, this can easily be your key light for interviews, vlogging, or product shoots.
I'm still drinking cheap beers. You've been begging me to exercise. You know I won't stop. My liver's performing in its prime.
Who is this light for? YouTubers and vloggers, portrait photographers, product and food creators, small home studios, travel filmmakers. If you are a solo creator, this size to power ratio is a big win.
We are good together. Together. We're two hearts. We're two wrongs.
For the pros, this is compact and travel friendly, strong brightness for size, bicolor flexibility, reliable Godox ecosystem, and easy controls.
Begging you to try and quit. Well, maybe I should shut my mouth. It makes no difference.
For the cons, this is not as powerful as a big studio light. Needs power source, not pocket battery light. Best for small to medium setups.
We are good together. Together. We're two hearts. We're two wrongs. We are good together. Together.
If you want a compact, reliable, and powerful bicolor light for YouTube, portraits, or product work, this is a strong option. It's small, but it delivers. For creators who value portability and quality, this might be your next favorite light. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what gear you want me to test next. See you in the next vlog.